BrainBobble presents the ultimate checklist for choosing a career path that will make you happy. Are you feeling stuck in your current career and wondering if there's something out there that will truly make you happy? Or maybe you're just starting out on your career journey and feeling overwhelmed with the endless options available. Whatever your situation may be, choosing a career path that will bring you lasting happiness can seem like a daunting task. But fear not, because we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll share with you the ultimate checklist for choosing a career path that will make you happy. So sit back, grab a notepad and pen, and let's dive in. 1. Conduct a self-assessment. To find a career path that truly makes you happy, it's essential to take the time to understand your interests, passions, and values. It starts with asking yourself the important questions such as, what are your interests, and what are your passions? When you take the time to understand your core values and how they relate to your career goals, you can align your work with your personal beliefs and sense of purpose, ultimately leading to fulfillment and happiness. Additionally, it's essential to consider your personality traits and how they affect your career choices. For instance, if you are someone who enjoys working independently, a career that requires teamwork may not be a good fit for you. Finally, think about what motivates you the most, whether it's money, forms of recognition, or helping others, and let that guide you towards your career path. When you undertake a personal assessment, you can unlock clarity, and clarity leads to career happiness. 2. Explore career options. When it comes to choosing a career path that brings you joy, it's important to expand your horizons and consider different options available to you. You should research fields that interest you and see if they align with your core values. It's also worth considering the job descriptions and requirements for each field so that you can understand what your career path entails. Think about the type of work you enjoy, whether it's independent or collaborative, fast-paced or stable. This will help you narrow down your choices and find a career path that suits your personality and interests. Additionally, consider looking for mentors or shadowing opportunities in fields you are considering to get a better understanding of what a typical day looks like. Exploring different career options is an exciting journey that can lead you towards a fulfilling career that makes you happy. 3. Assess your expertise level. Evaluating your skills and experience is critical in choosing a career path that will bring you fulfillment. The first step is to determine your relevant qualifications, skills, and experience. Identify what you're good at, the skills you've acquired throughout your life, and any experience that might be applicable to your chosen career path. Next, assess any gaps in your qualifications, skills, and experience. If you identify any gaps, research how you can bridge them. Consider taking courses, volunteering, or finding job opportunities that will allow you to gain the experience you need. It's also important to determine if the career you want requires additional education or training. Be prepared to invest the time and resources needed to achieve your goal, but remember that with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. By evaluating your skills and experience, you can set yourself up for success and find a career path that aligns with your strengths and interests, ultimately leading to happiness and fulfillment. 4. Consider your lifestyle needs. One important factor to keep in mind when selecting a career path that brings you happiness is your personal lifestyle needs. This includes thinking about geographical preferences such as location or the ability to work remotely. You should also consider the work schedule for your career choices and if it suits your lifestyle. Think about the hours you want to work and how that balances with your personal life. Additionally, it's helpful to think about how potential jobs will allow you to pursue interests outside of work. Do you have hobbies or passions that require flexibility in your schedule? It's essential to find a job that can help you achieve a work-life balance that works for you. Taking into account your desired lifestyle needs, you can choose a career path that matches your principles and allows you to attain the lifestyle you desire, ultimately leading to a more content and gratifying life. 5. Evaluate job prospects. When considering a career path that will delight you, it's crucial to evaluate job prospects. By looking into the job market in your chosen career path, you can consider employment rates and salary averages to make an informed decision. It's also important to check if your career path has future growth opportunities and if it's a sustainable field long-term. Will you be able to progress and develop in this field, or will you end up stuck in a dead-end job? Additionally, consider the breadth of opportunities available to you in your chosen field. Is there a range of jobs available, or is it a niche market with limited options? Considering these factors will help you choose a career path that provides security, opportunities for growth, and ultimately, happiness and fulfillment. Through evaluating job prospects, you can set yourself up for success and pursue a career that aligns with your goals and aspirations. 6. Assess your financial goals. Taking into account your financial aspirations is a significant step towards selecting a career path that will bring you contentment. It's important to determine your income needs and demands in relation to your lifestyle. What are your expenses, and how much money do you need to live the life you want? Additionally, evaluate the earning potential of your chosen career path over time. Will the salary be enough to meet your long-term financial goals? It's also essential to determine any budget restrictions you might have in terms of loans, relocation, or training costs. Investing in your education and training can help you achieve career success, but it's crucial to ensure that it aligns with your financial goals. Considering your financial goals enables you to choose a career path that provides financial stability, allowing you to live the life you want while finding happiness and fulfillment in your work. Using a checklist can be an effective tool to help you choose a career path that makes you happy. By systematically evaluating your skills, interests, values, and aspirations, you can identify the careers that are most aligned with who you are and what you want out of life. Remember, choosing a career is a personal decision, and it's important to take the time to reflect on what matters most to you. With the right mindset and approach, you can find a career that not only pays the bills but also gives you a sense of purpose and fulfillment. So, take control of your career path today by using a checklist to guide you towards a brighter future. And for more insightful tips and mind-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.